Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change language in Taobao app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Taobao application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to your profile interface. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to access the settings. Over here you'll be able to find many options. Simply tap on the fourth option. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find three options. Out of this option, simply tap on the second option. Now you'll be able to see the languages available for you. Right now only two options are available, English and Chinese. So if you want to change the language, simply tap on the language that you want to change to. Now tap on the confirm option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the language has been changed. So that is how you change language in Taobao app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.